Hi everyone, Dr. J here at the beautiful Thai Yoga Center in scenic Brooksville, Florida, bringing you another tutorial on diving deep or dive deep into the Thai Yoga fish pose. Thai Yoga fish pose is also known as Ardis Matsyandra, or the half whale, or the asymmetrical whale. And what we're doing is we're setting up a posture that is going to facilitate our client into an asymmetrical back bridge or a yoga back bridge for therapy. This is easy to get into when you do it properly, easy to get out no matter what the size is of the client, and offers a wealth of benefits. One of the things that I really like about it is because I'm using my body as the bridge, I get real-time feedback and real-time reinforcement about what's actually happening with my client. The other things that I like, and I'll talk about these in the video coming right up, is the adjunct benefits or the other areas of emphasis that have virtually nothing to do with the spine. The abdominal emphasis, the respiratory emphasis, and so on and so forth. It has a beautiful benefit for the hips and pelvis, as well as the cervical, upper neck, and spine. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, your likes, comments, and subscriptions are appreciated. I'll see you next time. Okay, let's do Matsyandra, or the Ardis Matsyandra, or the half facilitated whale. I'm going to use my thighs as a back bridge. It's an asymmetrical back bridge, so I would ordinarily do this from both sides equally. It goes like this. Sit behind the client, so I'm perfectly square to the direction they're facing. Sit down on my feet, support the bottom of the head, top of the neck. Big breath. Exhale and lay back. Nice and easy. And then let the head lay over. Inside hand comes over. Outside hand comes over. Once we're in this position, a little rocking. It's a really beautiful whale. Emphasizes one side of the back slightly more than the other. I also have other options here. I have my cross positions for stretching. Same side, opposite side, and cross sides. I have access to all these lines and points for palm pressing and the wing gate. I have access to all these lines and points plus the wing gate. I have access to the belly, nice belly, circles, 9 points, big circle we say. Push and pull. And so on. I have access to these points under the ribs here, which are really beautiful in the bow. And this back bend. And of course, access to the chest. To come out, I come out the same way I went in. Out, the other hand out. And I have two options for release. Clients my size are smaller, I just come up and bring chin to chest and lean and pull into seated position. Or, one more time. If the client is my size or bigger, I'm a little bit uncomfortable picking them up. 2 fingers under the shoulder, 2 fingers under the knee, and just push away, nice and easy. And on the other side, I'll go, please sit up. And come back and sit.